Hi guys! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Dito po tayo sa Era Tower. Ayan po ang makikita natin dito sa ibabaw ng Tower Era. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. We are here in Bahrain, Panama, Bahrain. Elsef District, Panama, Bahrain. This is the city of Bahrain. Welcome to Bahrain. Ayan. Nandito po tayo today sa Bahrain Era Tower, where I am staying with my employer at number 1 Era Tower. Nice viewing guys. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ayan po ang masishare ko sa inyo dito sa Era. Happy viewings. Ito po ang pinaka-main ng city sa Bahrain. Welcome to Bahrain. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Have a nice day to all. Thanks for watching. Pasensya na kayo. Ito lang maisishare ko. At ang tagal kong nakapag-video dahil sa sobrang hectic time because of my kind of my job. Buntis po ang aking alagang madam. And very soon we're going to Canada. At doon po manganak yung aking employer madam. So hope you like it to see the Bahrain. This is the city of Bahrain. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it and enjoy watching. Have a nice day. God bless us all. Bye. See you.